Part 2. Remember the last vlog? Like, I made something that is gold. Now we're gonna check it today. Oh no. Why am I holding a ball pen? And it just falls. Here it is. We're gonna check inside, of course. If we put a stick inside of it, you guys will be shocked. Oh no. So gold. See, it's so gold. There, so gold. Back. There, so we're gonna add some baby oil, some Johnson's. Just a little. If my mom will see me. Gonna close that up. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. And now we're gonna put it back where it belongs. Okay, so we're going out. We're out. Gosh, it's so going. There. So here, this is my total room. There's my bed. Yeah. And I've got so many things. It was so tiny. And I sing. Oh my god, everything falls. I sing with my sister. I've got a little shit. That is a toy. And I've got some guitars here. I love guitars. Master phone. And I have a groomer for my 2 pets. I was gonna say 5. 2 pets. And I've got 2 puppies, which means I have 4 puppies that are small. Small like this. There's nothing else in my room. Just some beds, some things. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys something. It's a tinted sunscreen from protects your skin from harmful sun rays, smoothens the skin, hydrates. There. See, I used it. I got many of these. That is almost out. Ingredients. Oh, I don't want to say the ingredients. It's so hard to read. It's so small. See? It's small. And I'm gonna show you guys something else. I'm gonna ask something. Do you guys go to church? Subscribe if you go to church. And if you stay at home, like this video. This is so exciting. Like, I'm doing a video right now. I can't help but smile. What else? About the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Oh, that's alright. They're watching some movies. I'm gonna show you the puppies. Here we are outside. I can show it right now. Like, I can show you guys the garage. There's so many things there. We're going inside. Oh my gosh, the movie is so loud. Oops. And why is it so dark? Oh my gosh, it hurts. This is my room. This is my other room. They're so hot. So hot here. I can't even open the aircon because my mom won't let me off. See? Oopsie. And here is my small one. Go near. OMG. Do you guys want? Eyeliner. There. We need the lip. Oh, we're done at the lips. Okay, I think you're done. So, so I think that's the end for this video. So, bye!